Basin Electric has two power plants where coal is stored in stockpiles, Leland Olds Station and Laramie River Station. Joe Langang is superintendent of fuel and transportation and monitors the piles closely, reporting to the board every month on how many tons of coal are on each pile. Each plant has a targeted level that they try to maintain based on the number of days the power plant could operate at full load with just the stockpile to rely on. At Leland Olds Station, it's especially important to maintain the stockpile because lignite coal, with its higher water content, can freeze on the pile and become difficult to use. In September through November, deliveries ramp up, but a railroad bridge fire at the beginning of September meant the coal stockpile dipped below the targeted level.
Of course, the entire trestle ended up burning. It needed to be destroyed. So. That was kind of scary because we knew that we weren't going to get any deliveries for, well, we thought it could be up to a month, maybe 2 months. You just never know. Sure enough, 8 days later, they, in the midst of a holiday, they got that thing rebuilt completely. They demolished the old one, built a new one, cement and steel. They got her up and we were back in service. Just remarkable. We made a couple of boo-boos ourselves because we thought that that bridge was going to be down for a while. So we took on some maintenance projects at the mine, at the loadout facility, and because we thought we were going to be down, we could get that stuff done. Well, the bridge was done and ready to go, and we were still completing some work, and so we did it to ourselves a little bit as well. But in the meantime, we've been working with the BNSF to get not enhanced crews, but more cycles, more crews. They had to do some recruiting within the company to get those slots filled as well. But in the past 2 weeks, the BNSF has again been magnificent. We're getting our coal, and I think we're going to be okay for the winter.
At Laramie River Station, the coal pile has been abnormally high. Congestion on the transmission system and some issues with boiler tube leaks means the plant hasn't operated at full load, so the plant isn't using as much coal.
And the BNSF, again, is working with us through our partners, Western Fuels Association. They enjoy great relationships as well. They're working with us to move some of our 2020 tons into 2021 to mitigate having to pay liquidated damages in 2020, just like they did in 2019 and just like they did in 2018. So great relationships, and they matter. The BNSF is dealing with this with every power plant they serve in the country, so it's not new news to them.